Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we'll be looking at one of the best guinea pig cages for two, the Amazon Basics Leakproof Canvas Bottom Guinea Pig Pet Cage with Divider Set. If you're a guinea pig owner or planning to get one, this might just be the perfect cage for your furry friends. Let's start with the basics. This guinea pig cage is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it super versatile depending on where you want to set it up. With dimensions of 47.6 inches long, 24.2 inches wide, and 14 inches high, it offers a spacious environment for your guinea pigs. Whether they want to run, play, or relax, this cage gives them plenty of room. Now, the design of this cage is very practical. The frame is made from sturdy iron wire, which keeps your pets securely contained. It's built to last while also offering excellent ventilation, which is key for small animals like guinea pigs. The bottom is made of leak-proof canvas, which is not only durable but also offers a comfortable, textural surface for your guinea pig's sensitive feet. It helps create traction, preventing your pets from slipping around. A standout feature of this cage is the included divider. This allows you to separate the habitat into two sections, which is perfect if you have multiple guinea pigs or want to create separate areas for different activities. It's a great way to ensure your pets have their personal space, reducing stress and making their environment more comfortable. Setup is incredibly easy and doesn't require any tools. The cage snaps together in minutes, which means you can quickly have it up and ready for your guinea pigs. Cleaning is also a breeze. If there are any messes or spills, simply detach the canvas bottom, dispose of any debris, and wash both the canvas and tray with soap and water. The leak-proof design ensures that any messes, whether from water spills or other accidents, stay contained within the cage, making it ideal for keeping your living space clean. You don't have to worry about leaks or messy cleanup after playtime. And when you need to disassemble or store the cage, it's just as easy to break down and store until the next time. This Amazon Basics Guinea Pig Cage offers an excellent balance of comfort, durability, and convenience, making it a top choice for guinea pig owners looking to provide their pets with a safe, clean, and comfortable living space. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy pet parenting.